Good day, everyone, and welcome to this week's Weekly Advisor Movements on the 4th of August 2022, brought to you by data powered by Advisor Ratings. So a couple of changes this week, guys. There's a net cease of 31. That means 55 advisors have left the industry, but 24 have returned as well. 45 advisors have switched, and 6 new advisors have come on. That brings the total down to 16,408 advisors this week, so slightly down from last week's numbers, and also from 1st of January, where we had close to 17,000 advisors. So who's new? We have Lewis Wegner joining Oreana Financial Services, Jessica Dean joining Globe Independent Financial Planning, and Murteza Behrami joining Viridian Advisory. Congratulations, guys, for finishing your provisional year, and please join me in claiming your profile on advisorratings.com. Who are the winners this week? Merit Wealth adding 3 advisors to their licensee, 204 advisors in total, still 55% down from their all-time high in December 2018. We have Capstone Advisors, a new licensee, adding 4 advisors to their license. Fortune Private Wealth adding 4 as well, 216 advisors. That's a 50% uptick from December 2018. So congratulations. Australian Unity Personal Financial Planning adding 9 advisors, 182 advisors there, still 11% down from December 2018. And then we have Bombora adding 10 advisors as well. That's 20% above their December 2018 numbers. So some good numbers overall. Unfortunately, we also have some losses. Doctors Financial Services losing 4 financial advisors, down to 1 remaining on the financial advisor register. We have the SMSF experts losing another 6 this week, down to 6 advisors remaining. That's almost 92% down from the original 2018 numbers. AMP losing another 6, 554 advisors left. It's ticking down, unfortunately. Millennial Tree Financial Services also losing 10 advisors, down to 171 advisors, and then ANZ losing another 12. They have 36 advisors remaining. That is a 91% drop from their all-time high in 2018. So that was it for this week, guys. If you haven't done already, please claim your profile on advisorratings.com.au in order to get more leads and to get more reviews. Thanks. See you next week. Bye.